Imagine a life where your money works for you. Picture this. It's a sunny Tuesday morning and you're strolling down a beautiful beach. The sand is soft, the water is crystal clear, but here's the best part. You're not at work. You don't have to be. Why? Because your money is working for you. Instead of you trading your time for a paycheck, your investments and passive income streams are bringing in a steady flow of cash. This could be your life. It's the power of making your money work hard while you enjoy the fruits of your labor. Sounds good, right? Let's dive into how you can achieve this level of financial freedom. It all starts with understanding the different ways we earn money. Most of us are familiar with active income. It's simple. You work, you get paid. You trade your precious time and skills for a paycheck. Think of a doctor seeing patients, a teacher educating students, or a construction worker building a house. Now imagine a different scenario. You write a book once and it continues to generate royalties for years to come. That's passive income. You work hard up front, but then the money flows in, even while you sleep. Passive income is the key to unlocking financial freedom. It allows your money to work for you, even when you're not actively working. Investing is like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree. When you invest, you're buying a piece of something that has the potential to increase in value over time. This could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even a small business. One of the most powerful concepts in investing is compound interest. It's like magic. Essentially, it's earning interest on your interest. Over time, even small amounts of money can grow exponentially. Don't be intimidated by the world of investing. Start small, learn as you go, and remember, the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Unlocking passive income streams. Explore different ways to earn without trading time for money. Ready to explore the exciting world of passive income? The possibilities are endless. You could create and sell online courses, write an ebook, or start a blog with affiliate marketing. If you love taking photos, sell them online. Have a spare room? Rent it out on Airbnb. Remember, building passive income streams takes time and effort up front, but once they're up and running, they can provide a consistent stream of income, freeing you to pursue your passions. Changing your money mindset. Think like a money magnet and attract wealth. Achieving financial freedom is not just about learning financial strategies, it's about shifting your mindset. Instead of viewing money as something scarce, start seeing it as a tool to build wealth and achieve your dreams. Adopt an abundance mindset. Believe that there are enough opportunities and resources out there for everyone. Focus on your goals, work hard, and be patient. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning and growing. With the right mindset and a sprinkle of financial wisdom, you can make your money work for you and live life on your own terms.